Greetings, fellow grammarians, otherwise referred to as the polymorphously perverse. Okay, so in this video, I want to explain that up to this point, I've been suggesting strongly that the adjective complement is not the same as the predicate adjective. It's not exactly the same. I've been trying to say that, but I want to show you clearly how it works. Now, the adjective complement, all right, the adjective complement complements an adjective. Adjective complement, okay? The predicate adjective complements the subject of the sentence, okay? And that's why the predicate adjective is considered a subject complement, okay? A subject complement can be a predicate adjective or a predicate noun. You could call it predicate nominative, okay? So you see here clearly that the adjective complement, all right, complements an adjective. The predicate adjective complements the subject of the sentence, all right? And it can be called a subject complement because it is. It's one of the two subject complements. So let's look at an example. I am delighted beyond words, okay? I am delighted beyond words. Here's your subject. I am is your verb. Delighted beyond words is your predicate adjective, okay? Now, within the predicate adjective, what do we have? An adjective. And beyond words is your adjective complement. The adjective complement complements the adjective. But you see here that the adjective complement is structurally, actually, sorta, technically, different than the predicate adjective. That's what I've been trying to say. I've been trying to say that, and some people might not agree, but that's just the way I see it. I've been studying this for decades, 30, 40 years. Now, here's another sample sentence here, okay? I am overjoyed that she likes me. I am overjoyed that she likes me. Here's your subject. Am, here's your verb. Overjoyed that she likes me is your predicate adjective. That whole structure, that whole thing, predicate adjective. And within that predicate adjective, you have an adjective, right? And you have that she likes me is your adjective complement, and that complements the adjective. Now, do you see this here? In the first example, I'm delighted beyond words. Beyond words is a prepositional phrase, and that qualifies it as an adjective complement. In the second example, I am overjoyed that she likes me. That she likes me is a noun clause, all right, especially when it has the word that, and that qualifies it as an adjective complement. So this is basically the crux of the matter. The adjective complement is not exactly the same as the predicate adjective. And I say this because I go on the internet and look at many videos. There's thousands of videos, and people say, oh, I'm an English teacher, and I have degrees, and I have doctorates and all that, and they're not teaching correctly. I wrote to an English teacher just a couple of days ago, and she was using a what you would call a relative clause. I call it a distinction clause, and she was using it as in a positive. And I said, that's absolutely categorically wrong. And she goes, no, it's not. It's in the grammar books. It's in the grammar books, and it's in the grammar books, and well, in the book's wrong. Point is, let's move on quickly. We have fake news. It's all over your TV, internet. We have fake church, and we have fake family too sometimes. A lot of fake family around here. And we can also have fake adjective complements. fake. You say, oh no, say, Joey, that's an adjective complement. You just taught me that. Well, let's take a look. Sample sentence. Sample sentence. It is not helpful that he cheats. It is not helpful that he cheats, okay? We see an adjective here. We wonder, well, what is this that he cheats? That noun clause, all right? And you see it. Shouldn't that be the subject? Well, let's just take a look at this. In this sentence, the word it is actually an expletive. It postpones the subject. That he cheats is the postponed subject, okay? So we revise that sentence and we say, that he cheats is not helpful. Okay, that's revised. Or we could revise it this way. We could say, his cheating is not helpful. But you see here, you see this here, fake. That's not an adjective complement. That's a fake. It's trying to trick you because you have here the word it postpones the subject. You have to wait till you get down here to find the subject. And you can tell that clearly when you revise it, okay? Now you see another sample sentence, okay? All right? We see our sample sentence, and it reads, the problem is disturbing that he cheats. The problem is disturbing that he cheats. So we say, okay, well, we know that's a subject. There's no doubt about that, right? That's an adjective. But what is this? It's a that noun clause, all right? But what is it? Is it the adjective complement? No, it's not. It's a fake. That he cheats is not an adjective complement, complementing the word disturbing. Let's rewrite the sentence. The problem, comma, that he cheats, comma, is disturbing. So what is this here as you originally see this sentence when it's trying to trick you? That he cheats is a postponed appositive. You see the appositive? I talked about that many, many times in previous videos. This is a postponed appositive. In other words, it's instead of being up here, it's moved and it's postponed. It's pushed back here, and you have the revised, which is much more clear. The problem, comma, that he cheats, comma, is disturbing. Then you see what you have. You see clearly it's a postponed appositive, and up here we had a postponed subject. I don't know if you can see that. It's fake, just like fake news and all other fake crap. So that's it for now, and I hope I made that clear. Thanks for being incredibly patient, and good night.